The universality of adult franchise in the United States of America came only in 1962. In India, we gave it in 1950.
This house doesn't discuss sub judice issues. Sir, this house doesn't discuss issues whether a crime has been committed or not.
Sir, this house runs on the basis of what the executive does. As long as this particular member is a member of that executive, which is accountable to this house, it cannot run. Agricultural distress was already going on. And after that, there was a protest. We walked out at that time against the government. Now, what did you promise, sir? What did the BJP promise during the election manifesto? I'm quoting from the election manifesto of the BJP. And the election manifesto of BJP says, quote, agriculture is the engine of India's economic growth and the largest employer. The BJP commits highest priority to agricultural growth, increase in farmers' income and rural development. हम यही कह रहे हैं उनसे कि आपने जो वायदा किया, जिसके आधार पर वोट लिया लोगों से और जिसके आधार पर अब सरकार में हैं, आप खुद अपने वायदे को क्यों लागू नहीं कर रहे? सवाल कौन सरकार में है वो नहीं है, सवाल है देश की जनता। देखिए साहब, ये वास्तविकता कहिए, अफसोस कहिए, जो भी, कि जब तक आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा नहीं होता आप दोनों के बीच में, इस सदन में कुछ संभव नहीं है। What is of greater concern, sir, is that in the 10 weeks since May 16, when this new government assumed office in Delhi, 605 incidents of communal nature took place in Uttar Pradesh alone, and significantly 2/3 of these took place in or around the 12 assembly constituencies that are due for by-elections now. अच्छे दिन आने वाले, ये सब वायदे किए आपने कृषि क्षेत्र के लिए, लेकिन बजट के एलोकेशन को घटा देते हो। Sir, there was a French emperor, Louis XV, who very famously said once that after me the deluge. I think the Prime Minister has added a prefix to that, saying that before me the void, after me the deluge. If the government so decides, we can allocate part of our MP lads funds to go there for our relief operations, and that I think is a decision which I'm sure all of us will agree. जयराम जी ने एक गाने का इशारा किया तो मेरे को देवानंद साहब का एक और गाना याद आ रहा, और वो गाना ये है सर कि आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे 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 जीने का सहारा हो गया।